Good afternoon. Good afternoon, wonderful fans. Me today on yet, and I say, I'm not prepared for this, but I think the road to behind Akete's absence must be said today. It must be said today. It must be said today, because I need to bring out the truth today. Please share for us. Share that your wonderful fans will be interested in video, baby. Won't share mommy. One thing I can say at first is, inipa da seni ninkaye, inipa eninkaye, inipa ninkaye. Won't share video, mommy. Won't share live video, mommy. I was not prepared for this, but I think most fans are asking, where is Akete? Where is Akete? I think I came here not long ago, like some months back. Ebeka say Akete Mpeninsem boarding school. Yeah, that is the truth. Oko school or boarding school, but there's a reason behind that, and I know what's going on. But I'm a fighter, and I don't just give up on some things. The real truth is, share live video, my good evening, boss. Share live video, mommy. Share, mommy. Before I say this, upon all what I'm doing for Akete Mpeninsem, the truth behind this is, Akete Mpeninsem, firstly, my fans are in Jumano. I am taking care of school activities. Me na me share primary school. From there, I share Juma say till now. We've been working for 1 year. Now, I was taking care of school activities. Me paying every month. Even every month, there are provisions, food stuff, just for ne mama ne papa. Okay, so muni sika bi amfanye dey emfan hwa akra no because my jare dey aboso. This is a big truth I'm telling you guys. Me can be amunjindi, but I'll tell you here, Akete Mpeninsem is not my real niece. Onya me Wofa sepa, onya me blood, but me don't more than even my niece and my nephews. More than even my niece and my nephews. Yes, you must see way back last 2020. It was I think maybe few days about 2020, ending of 2020, and I'm here Akete Mpeninsem. Just say yet if you back home, Akete Mpeninsem because of a Imamicha comedy. And I'm a far crano, I'm the near Juma. At first, Nani Papa day, Antiasia. Akete Nyamofas in the corner make a tremor. This is the truth. This is the truth here. And everything as he said here. Their course to be a menace to be a man from Bebiano. And no more course way back. But I need to say it here. Akete Mpeninsem, he's not my blood, but I just love the girl. Many are going to share Juma Seno. Nani Papa Antiasia. No Montiasia. But so when I prove them wrong, everything Akete does, me na meka maneka. The obeka me na meka. Me chane dia onye. The stories are built for me. And then my page I do this timer. Mudi nyansa kwan so eji akwan afiri Mpeninsem se me de ne call boarding school. Just because me person akwan afiri Mpeninsem. You share Juma sit that time no. I told myself and I told you parents ne say, "Dear ekeka kono na me boa, ye benya sika kakra free YouTube nim. Nti me ami bi account am akra no." You share Juma na se no first 2 months you entry account on YouTube because the views were coming, but non-payment was coming. Ajimebia and Azikabia amount for the first 2 months. But I knew what was going on. Said the edi anima yeban so me babe catch mo say me maybe account am akra no na dachi bi no me diskabia gum amano. Na wonyina waka say ofayima yedey ofayima aboa me ofayima ebibia ma me ofayima ebibia ma me. Me be catch mo yeah, Juma for let's say 3 good months. Me ohana papa ne friend me phone so say member on one komo. That was early 2021, way back February. The share Juma 2020 no. Me be account my no, and at the month of November. Yes, November. So in 3 months time, that is on February. Papa ne friend me phone so say member on one komo. Me kwa asmo ka twa me say obusa me say me be account ma kra no. Me ka twa ne say dada. Ade amaka twa mo say akra me be account ma kra no. E je na kese me ya adwuma for 3 months. Je na kese me account ma kra no. Me be account ma kra na me service sika gu akra ni ma no. Kakra for ne dache na du ni birthday a na ma yi sika no ya dey. De menya bia me de abo me say da monji sika no se ni enya ma kra no. Na wo de aya ade ama no. Mo de ayi bibia ma kra no ne dache nti. Asma upon the busa mini say na account no when di na shem. And I say next of case Akete Mpeninsem because only 18 years I baby account. Only 18 years I grant maybe account. So account me be no me dimu next of case Akete Mpeninsem. And I Wendy. And I was fine. My day, Mati. I was there again. You guys called me again. And I'm a back. They call you and say, Omu pese accounts, no, Omu accounting him. Like, and the Metias here, Omu accounting him. Sikani Brenabino, I shall see from there. I shall see from there. Say, Omu nim Sikambos Muscanim. And I'm so okay, fine. Said the Baya, I can't that into be from Sikan in some kind of Sikantin and Media Bayano. Some person mo yesadia na mo person mo kire me sadia de maye ne say account no me ko direct every information number Gmail account Gmail no I would sika to obi account ma wo benya notification say this is the amount I'm to account and I'm quite nyina it's from that month ne ko no me post sika to account ma I reflect on my account na ma total amount I'm to account munim bia ko you had the app on your phone. Enko wi ase no Musa frɛ me bio eno nkoda wo eno nkoda enwo kire wo Musa frɛ me bio aka twa me say mo bra bi wo mo krom afrɛ mo say mimi be you meet me direct akwa no nsa anya akwa ne manager at the same time and I'm say what akwa no time o hye sumase na oba no time was underground and obi anim sa akwa no mfaso ebenya mfaso no ne ho baba mfaso no na mo wa hefa so meet me na recha akwa nsa manage at the same time and to me manager head am akwa no that was a adwuma say 3 months 3 months mo na akwa ne baso no me di akwa ne ba na me ka asem sema no e hye na no manetimi e kan de all kan no e wo screen no mo ya dai mo say mo pe manager head am akwa no and I say it can be possible. Me ma kwanoka entweni akwana ma akwana me yesta na me san first can confirm from him that's not possible. That's never going to be possible. See, it's not right. Lord have mercy on me. It's not right. See, some of us are kese mo manager ma akra no sa same way me ko fa mpanyimfo betena mu me maame tena mu me fa mpanyimfo betena mu efre maame no akra ne maame akete maame ma no betena inside and ye busa ne say e koso de ne how mo cause enya possible say me a me di akwa na ba no me a me ba akwa no ka no mo pese mo ji akwa ne mo bi so bi na manager akwa na me first kan ko fa akwa no that's not possible enko wi ase nyina no on pese me di sikasem no ye dey e show mo nsa. Asama me catch my men say, Sikana yes ye di sikano, but men am dia kwane ba this time. The whole world knows say be you na dia kwane ba. Na dachi bi no and see akwane ye dachi a. Ye beka say me and na my day, my we see akwane life. And ti sikano me protect no, just say, mo be hu sikanim, but obi anfa ne san ka sikano. Na dachi bi no onyina, wonya fund bi say this the money anka bi we day, e save mama. Ne kwakwa mu no say de bi ansem nya ba koda no, o say me hand over sikano ye day, e de mo mo. Meso me dua kwa ne da che me dwe adwuma ye koso ne start me pese ne start be shut down no manya dai manjai adwuma ne ye me te na se na me call bank that was Fidelity Bank The date on 5th March 2021. 5th March 2021. A juma for 4 months. Me for tantana mun yimin dise me mumbu me wode me ye no. That day na me ko isika ni nyina ba no. Esa ne kasa na mo ka nyina se me ko isika no nyeda yi emfa mbre wo mo no mun take over the account. Na me say fine. Maka mate. Muna ne papa ne mama ne papa. Enti mo akade ama yeda mate. Me call bank on the 5th March. Eko yi an amount of 4,050 cedis. 4 months here juma no. 4,050 cedis. Na me ko yi ye. Me de brown mama na te wo, papa na te wo. Me handi over me catch am say akwa ne ye mu nti no sika no ma obi amfa ne sanka de obehia bia mon kan twa me hono obi amfa sanka ne sika mo se mate mo fa sika no nya hwe am so okay mo ko bi account no mo nya dai mo fa account details nya dai emre me na se edu se me discount na account ma me dia fa sa account ma me na ma papa nso ma dai mate na mo ji sika no sika ni nti o na mo ji sika no me twa be 2 weeks na account ne mbai me bo mo pressure me pacho me hia account no mo di account details ne bre me no also could be a counter. Your mouse slip be a man who total amount in the Wisconsin son. Sika 4,050 cities no, a banaka 3,000 cities. Let's ask ourselves 1,050 a wine for a use can so. I didn't talk. Manka way. Manka just a word on that 1,050 cities from the money. I didn't basic besida. I'm just kind of more. A year Jumano. Said the Tiana, just 2010 our fans. Because some case me judge mana and I can't judge mana they carry back from because baby you do no near do a chi. January March April was a can't birthday. I said everything. Ne birthday bedu no me a day me mo be catch am say me birthday ni nyambo china that on the 13th April na 12 me catch am say 13th April me be say me di birthday ma kra no. Enti mu yedai mu ba ko meginam e ma no nyame bo chi na that is 13th April ni ko di birthday ma dai e ma Akete Mpeninsem mama ne ka chem say onye dai ontimi e meginam cause oye adwuma papa no so say o twika oye taxi driver onya ho timia no se meginam musika bia ni mu ne birthday me boka almost 2005 plus on akwane birthday mi ko di man school keka me to onye cake to you could man school and you when say okay your dear man school dia adentina yanko na team ni nyina na Akete nkodi birthday ni wo pizza man na Akete eni engine ho nkodi di keke you could ni nya bai obi asika ni mu mi amsika me ba nyuma na mka chem say na mukodi mama me hwe mama ye hwe na me di cake na the cake no dai de mama mama di cake half na kai na me de brem. The next day, I say, hey, over a mountain to be my account. I'm so okay, Matima. Most of to be Mamma dia. Dia no media, medis media, medis. Can I? I could Akete birthday. Amano. Munina mu hebi online. Munim dia course. Ne birthday. Munim dia course ne birthday. Everybody knows. Obia hebi online. Men kasa say that. But ni patimosum. People are just ungrateful in this world. Tiesi Mpeninsem on the bar. My father must Akete channel. Dia na course no. I need to bring out new talent. And next day no. And I'm saying, ma, some say, mum, bibi dia. Sika ni nya day, asa. Enti munyi sika we. Na mumfa koto akoko. Na hune da munye day. Mumfa akoko na munye day. Na munwe. Because man munwe akra no. And I'm say, okay, mate. Me de mama mi no na papa ni ho. Na me so wat no gi sika no. Mate hu pupu ebio. The next day, anapa me twa na mama ni dware. He just called me and said, BEYOU, and offer ima. Me say ade amekuna ye. Na me say ade. Osi sika na ade ma me se me fa man se enkoto akoko no okache ne se okache ma me ne se onu anko onyi sika no ade ya bebrebe kodi ma akwa ni nyina no de etimi ni bro mani na me say what akwa ne bede na mudi na me di mbabo ka musika bi ani mu no mo ka pre ni mu no mo se ka che me se sika me de ma mo ye dai esua mo koto akoko ne sika ni sua right fine no problem ona me mu se nipa dwi mo osum but mo se video ma me mon cher mame nkasa say da ba mon cher mame fa ensemble baby me do every month birthday ni sika no mo enkoda o ese sika na ma musa de akodi nyina ma akra no de metimi ni bro mani eno enkoda every month bia me ye shopping ma akra no every month bia aside ni school sem enkoda me hwe ni school me na me hwe akra ni school from ye share adwuma ase school come na me change school man no registration almost 1,000 plus me no to admission me ko admission ma kwa no without their penny omo ntwe school fees that on now me na me sha kwa no 1 year me can't me na metua school fees me na metua books obeto me na metua na tare obese me na metua nothing. Me get provisions aside school sem nyina any pay me pay akra no me get provisions mark one every month. Indomie, emo, anwa, milo, nido, sugar, gari, everything, biscuit, akra be hinya. Just because say musika sem enko from mfa musika na nyama ade na men to provisions mark one aside the pay no any sika me de man no provisions no so come de na mo no amoma no obedi indomie amunye indomie ma no obedi milo amule milo ma no me de sika kotoma no me de sika to ni nyama no me sika wo na me yema akwa no ye frame me papa ne mama ne frame me ebusa me say sa no ma no menya no hefa and say da me na me to no ma na akwa no just because mo be ham kakra aso mo ka che me ne say obi abegina omodwuma no mama ne ton flute okwan no obi e ba akwa no say Akete BEYOU there me na sponsor mo Indomie ni anwa na mo na provisions na me say what obi abekasi a kire mo okwan na mo antima frame an kan kire me bani enko wiase nyina no omutiri mu adwen omusi manya sponsorship from Indomie and Indomie for sponsor me na matena so na me de kakra black na say sponsorship am ya sponsor me na mu se me advert am Indomie for na mu se me advert na mu se me Akete billboard say about billboard say ya Indomie advert am Indomie ni pani nkaye ya see me magic sponsorship deal and I had me de atoto Indomie ni black one every month me wan so me am sika mbotom sika me ton akwa no on nipa atima adwen on nipa trimu adwen me de Akete kobela samwa of abel mama ye me de kobel of abel mama ye but mo share video mama share mama mo share of abel mama ye sa video ni ekọ ye na manfo gu yesu bebrebe no Akete ka chem so fa mama sa I'm so okay fine any enkwai I don't want me person besa no so besa ti yes no sako of abel honum ti osa no na of abel $2 makom yensa $1 and a 1 cedi 4 $1 say almost 6 cedis 6 times 3 say 24 plus 4 cedis say 27 cedis omo this can here day omo says come this can mama na this can here dey shame bottom 24 cedis o man ponte case kakra me de kwa no ka ye fire no almost 400 cedis in and out the bedu fear ne days achi omo frame me ma me ba fie omo busa me say obi say Akete nya sika pa adan a okọ bela samoyi no ya tu sika agunu so dollars agunu so pa na man fa me do mo na me say ti adan ti na mo ti sa adan ti obi ka sam tira mo musa me dollar miensa $1 miensa time 6 cedis miensa say 24 cedis na ye kwa na didi ko didi say ka ye de ko say adan ti na mo ya de man yesa adan ti mo ya de man yesa enko wiase no omo ka kye me say ye ko ba bi dia ana esese no ye ko ba bia me ko bemfa obi omu bi ni akire ne nipa ne me nko ba bia be se ko bia se bia me nya Akete ko ba bia obi ni akire ne enko just because omu nsem dia akwa na gisika be dia akwa na gisika upon de me ma akwa na nyina o ti so obi ma akwa na 10 cedis sei na so fa ima me 10 cedis no 10 cedis no e de se me ho a o so obusa me revi se me na me akwa na school revi se me na me to provisions ma akwa no revision me na me sorry be amount be me save sika to akwa na account um obedi wi am toma no ta de nti na mo yesa me ko fa dollar na chemo adance nti dollar me ja no ho me ko fa be chemo fa dollar ba bo chemo ntwa me Losam, bien no more. I dance $18 na shemo. Mon continue you no try. Give dollar na chemo. Now I dollar no. I see a community dollar in here. You be yachemo. This is a dollar. $1. Enuni mintumwi. Sikani niye. Dollar enuni. We eno say. Matina sono. Dia fa be otugu mis etugu akete sono enuni 1 2 3 Human beings are ungrateful. This is the time I need to speak up. I can't on your fast you. $3 and dollar in There is it. Of a bill to 2 years no. I dance yentino, and it dear bar suntino. Minim say at the ya issue way, a besi, a mamma diabetes, anuni. Me park in any ways. Then I mean Yamakano. Me far from the first video. I can't in the first video. Most are crano. Shed the no why. Never the Maya crano. Shed the Maya crano at this time. I didn't know Munin Kaisa. I didn't know Munin Kaisa. This is a secret again. Maybe you, of a BEYOU. Akete wanya more fast no. Wanya more fast. Me really wanya more fast. But I share video, my brother. Share mammy. Share video ni mammy. Share mammy. The truth must be out. Now mo keep supporting BEYOU comedy. Cause any penny in kaye. Ne kwa na meka. Minya an invitation from Dubai. Semenya day. Memra invite, just an invite. I will Dubai. That was cause I call. I me 15th December last year. Minya invite no na che. Menko and I'm sit there be. Menko meet me ko baby say man nye. Because many akwa na ye adwuma. Say BEYOU me of a BEYOU. Mako Dubai say na mo Akete Mpeninsem mo Dubai ni ma. So Dubai a, obeka say of a BEYOU, wo ye yimu. Wo ye pesimi nkum of a BEYOU, we are pessiming kuminya. But me the day, Akete Mpeninsem ye day. I can't say, me the Akete beko. Me am fa Akete and Woka. Me fa Akete Mpeninsem and Woka. Ne visa and ne plane ticket and ne visa. Me na me can be fa to me didn't come. Mo ya we and I me catch you, mo papa na ma me say, me pesa me ye day, me ye a friend say, passport, Emma Crano, me be passport and chemo. Be passport and chemo. Mon chemi, me ba. Be passport na chemo. E pacho passport nini. Passport nini. Akete passport ni, maybe e ma chemo. Me yase me ma life mbeka. But me hu ade bia na me ya. O ma ji akwana ma obi. Omaji Akete Mpeninsem mobi without my notice. Omaji akwana mobi without me my notice. Banyameti ase. Passport nini? Akete passport ni. Senya Akete a mon kan chance me boa. The passport ni. Me na mkodi agire mu ye ma Akete. Me. Papa no ba ho be sign ye. O ba ho be sign papers. O be sign ye. O be so affidavits so on ni papa. Me boka almost 700 plus cities. On this passport time me yama akra no. Ye within 3 days na passport ne buy. Passport ne buy no. Me hono upon a friend me say, membra, me kwa busa me say, na akonto no, ye be kono hefa. And I'm say dada, me pacho e be ye Dubai. Ye be kono Dubai. Me nya Akete ne be ko. Asmo busa me ne say, na why that didn't be there chirako I didn't many akwane kono na why na be di akwane chi and be di many akwane chi akobi and I'm say da aya me ne akwana kwa na eko ba se mpeso obi di akire ko bi dia munye dai muntue ni pakro no visa ni passport ni bibia na accommodation no onye dai oni akire me nye dai na yenko na so you mate na so okay mate tinu nse mete monka me twen mete monka wi a na afia ye dai ya sha say process no me fans mo Dubai a mo contact na ni wasema me ka ho asemi me no mo ye ko mo ya we say ye be Dubai on the 15th December me na Akete Mpeninsem and they were waiting for us me ka sa papa ni we papa no say wate I'm so okay fine ti me twen mo feedback next day me wo hono ma na me nya call Akete Wofa nkasa ne Wofa nkasa frɛ me from ukrom hono ebusa am say ye kwa na me say ye ko Dubai no say Dubai de kwa ne wa ente say ahane akra so ho na ho na beka ho akwa na me say obi atimi nka ho nko some person bi ka ho de amonya dai muntwe ni pakọ visa ne plane ticket e me yanko because me timi say money pa no come in dai eni eche me yanko ana say wate asma ka che me ne say Dubai de kwa ne wa and as Arab country. As Arab country. And to say, Bibi Koya Krana, Honum Kobusano, Monshament and Nipa mentality. When the Patrimasem. Say, Bibi Koya Krana, One Kobusano, Dubaram Yakanikono, Akra, me baby, I tam the bombo, Nico baby. Me tam bombo, send me a mofase, I run your mofase, and no come baby, your co programmer, a month for dinner cheap on home. Nasa ne kwa no omo dwen bone twa adwen ani pa na dwen se bibi koya akra na hono bebusa no na so okay fine no problem me da se ene kase bi no kate ko no e hono me yima ba dwen free akwantu no so to mo Dubai kwa be dance say omo frame me say benya ba na me se o benya ba no be minti e chen kakra e benya ba no be minti e dey ye chen kakra because me twa ntro kire omo nim say me ni Akete be Dubai just for a visit keke me say mo say we mame why mo say mame because fans na busa mache and I need to voice this out because they me hono me ka de me ho a kire mo they me hono ti na me ka sa asem me the real truth behind everything I so between me ni Akete Mpeninsem say me obi aka me jeg man da but me can me trim say adwuma we ni adwuma I was born to do. And I want talent no. I don't want the talent to be hidden. So I'll keep on doing it. And I'm many mama na ye adwuma. Nyane papa na ye adwuma. Many akra na ye dey ye adwuma. That's why I kept moving on with Akete Mpeninsem. For the first 3 months, come na kwani je adwuma kra ye. But no, me na ye adwuma ye. Ye till now. And me Dubai bomb because of akra no. Because of family no. Almost say obi obedi ejira kobi. Because of the bad thinking I'm thinking about akra no. Aba menya akwa no said ne kwa omo bi nsem de akwa no kwa Dubai a me de akwa no kwa programs agisika meanwhile we were going there for a visit ni akotwa comedies e wo honom just to make our comedies international agentpawe e wo mitrim anu ti me comment man ko Dubai ni bi me comment man ko Dubai ni bi e bom because of akwa no enche bi na nya YouTube subscribers 100,000 subscribers yenya 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And a YouTube for my award. That is the plaque. Award the crowd. Watch me ba. $100,000 YouTube subscribers. Watch your name. Where are YouTube for the my 100,000 YouTube subscribers. 100,000 YouTube subscribers. I can't do any show. But hono are being ungrateful to me. Upon them, I am a they are being ungrateful to me. They are being ungrateful to me of a me be you. School till now. 1 year. Me 4 times 10 my share kwana 1 year without your penny. YouTube subscribers the nuni 100,000 subscribers in nya on YouTube. 100,000 subscribers on YouTube na na YouTube for my award we. E ma me kwa me twa award na ye dey e ba social media. Me twa award na ye dey e ba social media. Say the buy amansen na be dey e be hu. Amansen na be dey e be hu say ye 100,000 subscribers. Ya ya you atwam. Me o hwa na papa ne baaye e frɛ me se memra. Me kwani mu obusa me se afayima na Akete Wendy wonya award na me mfambre no. Am say that Wendy nya award be na me mfambre o. So Wendy nya award a me obehu me de ko social media. Na metimi me de bebre o. Am say award be. O say obi friend from omo honom say omo mtan honom. Ne bra na friend from omo mtan say akwana gi award na me mfama no. Na me ko yibe cho say that hwe mpa cho. 100,000 subscribers for BEYOU comedy team. For BEYOU comedy team. 100,000 subscribers for BEYOU comedy team. Enya Akete nko dia wo. The whole BEYOU comedy team. Akete ka hon, BEYOU ka hon, the whole crew. And let's not forget say me be a YouTube channel no 2013. Na me be a YouTube channel. Ni nya wo Akete Mpeninsem. My emojuma sa for several years before sin na me adom opeja nsa 2020 amaye. Opeja nsa 2020 ama me enya Akete Mpeninsem. Ade na ni peti modern sa. Kesa amanfo sensem abonten e na mu cheche amanfo sem. Abonten so for abonten omu ti sei, obi ti sei. Na obi ba maame ne adwuma mu, os maame ne se obi ba obi ka twa ne se, "Ei, oba ne Akete." Os ai, os akwa de sem ne adwuma, ko benya sika bebrebe. Me da kwa ne adwuma ko benya sika bebrebe. To obi aka sem ya to tiri mu nti no, wo me ho adwembo ne se me BEYOU me yedai, me di akwa ne sika. Me fun tantan mi se wiska ma akwa no. Me BEYOU na me di akwa ne sika no, me yedai, me hwa akwa ne school o. Manti bia me provisions ma akwa no. Se de be ya mo ho be ha ma kakra. Mo nyi musika mfa hwa akwa, me na me besa me hwa akwa no. Because my job also, me na me manage akwa no. So in everything I want to do, bibia be favor akwa na man na ni ache. Me di akwa ne pie anytime. Make sure so we feel happy. Christmas ye pie just make it me pie just to kodidi keke menini mi enu kodidi keke ni aba ba edru baby ye sha adwuma ase no mitimi da kwan ko baby a tama na na ho nya manfaso no me ne sha ase no mitimi tama Akete because e fie no obi ani mi akwa no nanam sa me fa akwa no na me ne kokrom ekotompa boa ma no me ne kokrom ekoto ade ma no afedi akwa ne pagya kakra no mimma akwa ne pagya kakra no duru akire no afedi me di akwa ne ko krom se me kotompa boa ma akra no me na ko kromo me kwa na me mama na yese bia me di akwa ne ko ba bi se bitimi tom akra ne ko se mba cho me koto ade ma me di akwa ne ko kotompa boa ma no mo nka hie but akra no abanfo paso because of me afedi me di akwa ne pia bonten na me koto ade ma akwa ne kra ma me timi frem phone so ka tem se yimana mo wai na me se mama mpacho yewo grometo meto ade ma akwa nti e ba sisi na ne bo ofu ka twa me se adenti na me ko mankra no adenti na wo ko mankra no adenti na me ko mankra me mi amene ma mankra me bibi ko akra njisi ya de na beka oh me yedin of phone some say hey enipa mi amedi akwa ne ko be bia no no mo nka hwe se bi akwa ne ko ba bia mutimi ka se adenti na me ko mankra wo anfa se me akwa ne ko ba bi na minim de eba e sha ase ache but I was a fighter. Don't forget say when I'm real say I picked the girl from the scratch. Obi ani makwa no mfa so and akwa na be star because of me. And then we him bonia independent kaye. Let's continue this. Let's continue. Let me relax more. Because the message I couldn't free me. Timu Akete was screen and BEYOU. The real truth is, na me nim se o free me timu nim. Na me nim se Akete yedai e free me timu nim. Ba afa na me hu akwa no e free me timu nim. So this is an official announcement. Akete Mpeninsem is not part of BEYOU comedy anymore. The reason is this. and kwane ma kwan no ana mo ka say what person must say school ni ma in say school ni ma akra no I didn't know the reason why person say school ni ma akra no and I'm say me ko pay school na me bia me ko nante ko pay schools miensa every school's information here dey Abraham say this is a fees, this is admission fee nti no mo me nhwe na ye nhwe house tie na afi if anything bia no the school asia na my dey me da akra no akọ I'm say fine edi be 1 week na my day ma frɛ me papa na frɛ me na me ye day me call them o me call asmo ka che me ne say o ma pe school for frama akra no that's a me school na me dey akra no ko 2 mu no school na me dey akra no ko 2 mu no o ma yi akra na fi school mo na ko school for na me say oh okay we dey asempa na school no dey tie nie akoda boarding house I was shocked na me say Akete got a boarding house say ni age no mo ka say me the video bi kwa video no ka say video me can na video but now you people are not getting me well me can video ni you people are not were not getting me well say my fans were not getting me well the na ekoso but am best me voice out because na me name stand na omugina no and I was okay fine mo dey akon to boarding school osua ni yie mu no do obehwe ni yie no ombehwe ni yie na didie mu no se de ehwe no so wo fie no ombehwe ni su ya maye and I was saying ombehwe ni su ya am say okay fine he say adwuma na eda ho no sa akwa ne ko sisie ya adwuma ne da ho no mu se adwuma kro ye yi ene ye de sha akwa no school kakra enti onko na weekends Saturday Sunday na akwa na ye dey abafie na akwa na ye dey abafie ni e cha comedies papa ne ka twa me say headmaster ne say akwa no o school mo besua de yi pa enti no ye ma ne wo school but wo de anya hwe se nke se de akwa ne ko school a meni omu nyina nko ne headmaster nko kasa se be de ya obeti ase saa encha ase moyo the headmaster be de e beti ase saa am se dabi ade e ko so de anya me de na me hu ba bia e free ba because me kai say mna bi atwam no omu ka so mpa manager ma akra because maybe you meet me direct akra no san manage no e bi ni ho saa me am me ba akra no kan e si meet me manager akra no and direct no kan so mpa manager ma akra no and there's a school no mo di akra no ko no adwuma no mba say dey e ba form but I'm a fighter and I never give up in life there be a free ban no e din ti e bibia e focus ni e koso ye de ye to kan man kan na ka je dada any oko school idie na say for 3 months oko school onya adwuma ni bi wo na say man sika bia ba bia na kwan sentiment kan sika bia bi wo ana say what yes I said man doubt mukaya there was some month bi and I didn't release video for a week. That was the reason. So I was copy new person, because a new kid. New kid. That was where I found Akete Mpeninsem. That was when I found Akete Mpeninsem. That was where I found Akete Mpeninsem. Because Akete Elkono, he will leave a very big shoe. Because the whole world loves BEYOU and Akete. So right now, I call boarding school just to separate Akwana from me. Na jumana de asenke ba nyankopon no I no ohwe so dia do this time no o ma enimu nwase. So I fish out Akete Mpeninsem. Timu Akete Mpeninsem was queen. He was not here to take over Akete, but he was here to lead us till say Akete be back. Na me nimisa Akwana ye de e kwa asaba back o. Na me nimisa Akwana ye de e kwa asaba back. That was my motive. But I'm sad to be a say, I dear way, and no man to see no muscle. My main pop in Amfani and Shazzy a Jumano. So that a Juman conform. So consistency was because of why I brought Akete Mpeninsem to add up to Koku Frempong. The Akete Mpeninsem no. And the echo sono, and my men can say, my bemu boo. Me say me fo bi ba de na ya de ma ba mu muda me koso aye cause me ya do ya abonten de nti na me ye person nkum nya obi am ne ye adwuma hweda me do akra we Akete dan akoma so sei da me do akra we God bless you. This is the truth behind this. The school no mudi akwa na kwa na me fa esi Mpeninsem be share Akete anan. Said the buyer obey lead and kakra. Talent no, I was raising the talent of esi. So Akete ba no I add up to esi Mpeninsem. But I never knew say no mudi akwa na from Mpeninsem. Me hu rumors no. Because de me ye bia na nyam fe. Nipa twa asem do mbeka, we beka no mutie. Make amount of money I'm saving my Akete Mpeninsem the whole year. Me phone tantan na meka am man saying that. Because people are being ungrateful to me right now. I was supposed to come, not supposed to come online, on live to talk like this. But me who be, I'm not prompting me. I have to come online and talk to you guys, talk to my fans. So, nemu musa Akete Mpeninsem no be here Juma. Imagine every Mpeninsem. Musa obi post Akete videos, pictures, new videos, new pictures. Imagine Akete Mpeninsem every Mpeninsem. Imagine Akete Mpeninsem every man of a Mpeninsem. So omodi akwani ko school no. Ana me ba live. Ebe kan live no de course no so me kan the same thing pepepe. Say omodi akwani ko school na enye me pese de akwani me ko boarding school. Na awofo no na say yemfa no ko boarding school. So parents knows what's best. Inti nenye dey mfa akwani nko. Be kan live. Akwani ko school di 2 weeks. Ana me ye dey. Me chat teacher ni ba ko or me number. Ana me catch and say this is where I knew say akwano imagine every Mpeninsem. Me chat teacher ni say mpacho me pese me yedai me besra Wendy Akete Mpeninsem Sunday very possible teacher ni na reply me that mean no me be ase it was Thursday until Friday anapa they were reading message no reply me I'm sending message say I didn't na maka as much on me feedback bia ade den e koso teacher ni boma me say I'll talk to the headmaster first. I'll get back to you. I want to say there is something wrong somewhere. And I'm here day. Me relax here. See, na we mu no. Teacher ni chat me say, headmaster na sit na mbo Saturday. Yenye day. You bet my barber here akra no. About 5. I'm so okay, fine. This Friday no. And I me call more be we ho. Because top provisions. Akra no mo be here bia. Provisions. Say me call me the command say only di na onye okay because me don't know no matter what teacher ni come smart na go shopping that Friday no so anyumre afi Saturday na dru na your program bi nti ke be free honom ani meeting na dey akọ ho na menya akọ from papa no ba mentima mfa call no because na phone na shembotu manti ti me hu call no me be free no na wa send me audio papa na send me audio say what is yes me ko hia akwa no school a teacher ni na friend ka twe no what is me ko hia akwa no school me ko hia akwa no school but do ka che me say mama ntumi na nsi school ho enko hwa akwa no on pese me ban akwa no da on pese me ban akwa no say mi hu akwa na mi ntwam mi hu akwa na mama nhwe na nim mpo no pese comedy ni sa be wu akwa nim on pese comedy be wura akra nim Akete Mpeninsem mu o se me hu akra na menye dai me ntwam ma me nko school mo nko hwehwa enko sra akra no o kan preach them in a recording audio recording and am sending man say dada o saka bibi say ma me nko school mo nko hwehwa akra no because odi akra ne ko school mu no makofo obi aba say anipa no ebe hwa Akete anan so they were wishing say akra ne ko na aduma ne da ho saa o nti makofu bia be sha akwa na nan sa omunche nti ade nti na me ko ya akwa no school mo ma me nsu school mo ko sha akwa no na me ni akwa no contract no awu o kan e plain tell me say me ni akwa no contract awu o se oni akwa no contract awu efi no ko hu me ba na me ba no efi no ko hu me ba na me ba no embe me ba no da una twam kese akura ohumia na obaba nche ofayima akwa no humia na wotwam because of the akacha akura no when I recording my pan born reply say dada many akwa na sign contract bia o na say sign contract kwa na aka bia we nkenti mi say kamoti mi nyini film nsem say imagine say film nsem many akwa na nyedai enko contract but enya hwe ma ya menya meduma me fo tantan a meti hai me na me hwe akwa na saa 1 year till now obi aka prenim me phone tantan me na me service sika gu akwana account in the total 1 year me ni akwana ye adwuma me phone tantan ya BEYOU me te we say akwa no yetete nsem say me just sponsorship me akwana ko baabi ko gisika no me phone tantan no in the whole year me save 11,000 cedis plus marketing Mpeninsem in a year. 11,000 cedis plus in a year for Akete Mpeninsem. 11,000 cedis plus for Akete Mpeninsem. 11,000 cedis plus for Akete Mpeninsem. School sem maimo. School sem mbem. School fees em chia mbai. Oko school week as kama de mano no mbai. School me de ma kwa nya dai mbai yo. Edu baby kwa no car no ofo tronto ne ko school. Me ha taxi me ha car e ma kwa no say on fan ko school in and out just because say the brand na kwa na brand no no he's too big. Also me protecting no. Ti my menya madwuma. O ka twa me say enye obi ne be ne ba ma no. Me yesi me my life me kasa. I'm talking from pains. I'm talking from pains. I'm talking from pain. That's why I'm making no more in a come. Yes, making in but a be an among Akete o baby. Name. Imagine I'm obi. Mini pa phone tantan ya, me BEYOU of BEYOU, me dia kwana ba no. Ma born ho ka do this time no. Ama na be superstar no. Ama service sika gu no hono no. Ma nye pesimi nkumunya, ama service sika agu akro no ho no. Ene ye ka twa me say, ya nka ncham se me nhwe obi aba ma no. Obet ma hwe ne ba. Ya je na ma obi. Me can the plane ha say ya je Akete am obi every Mpeninsem. God praise you. Ni panin kai. Oh God. I'm sorry for talking this way. Mo fancha me pass me kasa say. But I need to tell the world about this. The whole world needs to know this. The whole world needs to know this. Aja connect from Mpeninsem. Patch on me back. I'll be back very soon. Akete Mpeninsem. Upon all what I've done for Akete Mpeninsem, social media, muhu de me marketing, de me yakra no, ya baby akwani free buy I will do de why. They have been ungrateful to me, but all the same I need to voice this out. It's in Mpeninsem also. Dear SC no, Emma me nya odo say me me man nye obstacle say me for be ba M1 BEYOU. Esi nya me Wofa sepa. But my fa kra no. And I'm the near Jumawi. Onyo bi ba o. So let's all help me. Say that me dey akra ne Akete ba no. Let's all help me in supporting Esi Mpeninsem to push harder. Ono so obi ba sa. And I'm akofa no. Onya me Wofa ase. Obi ba na makofa no. I'm the near Juma. Ni ma metemase. Na me akra ne ye dey Juma. I know these challenges are meant to come just to make you strong. I'm still staying focused. I'm still staying focused. I'm still staying focused. To me, someone more me. I am pushing me other guys no makano. For now, Akete Mpeninsem is no longer a BEYOU comedy member. Because I didn't Mpeninsem. That's the truth. And that's the main thing I'm here today to tell you guys. I was able within 1 year no. Nye pesemi nkuminya. Ma nye pesemi nkuminya. Mi save sika gu akwa no. Mi save 11,000 cedis ma akwa no. Akwa ketwa at the age. Me share in school for 1 year. Me share no said the show bi ba. Tontare ma no. But my bro chief for in us for always helping us in some things. Nyamisha munya. Nyamisha bi aso her library. God bless you all. This is the main truth behind this. I've not sacked Akete and I can never sack Akete because me don't know. And he is in me. let's help push my other people. Let's help push Akete Mpeninsem. Akete Mpeninsem is loaded with talent. Let's push Akete Mpeninsem. For now, no, yaja Akete Mpeninsem. That's the reason behind this. Because of a nipa ensem keka, yeti amanfo asem more than me akwa na ye adwuma no. Ma nya person nkuminya. I am nyam adwuma. Ba madamu inamase. Keep on supporting BEYOU comedy. I know so you guys are not going to leave me like this. Let's help push the other brand. Let's help push my other kids. Them who man ba live in and say because social media is here and because they are posting Akete pictures. Say Akete Mpeninsem is coming back. But this time he's not acting with Uncle BEYOU anymore. He's at Accra, but Accra was school. It's a tricks and everything they are saying is lies. See Aji Accra no, I'm Obi. See nipa no ni adwuma. Because you say me for tantan Accra ntimi me nya adwuma. Omutimi Accra no me nya adwuma bio. You see Accra ni humi a Obi e di Accra na koto boarding school. Amos na koto boarding school. Afei that day na me se me ko hwa Accra no, etwa emu no. Ni next week na Accra na wo fi. Akete Mpeninsem humi a on hwe manim. Akete hwe manim se minim of ayimani because of the yakachre no. Because of the parents akachre Akete Mpeninsem. Yakachre Akete say of ayima is not good. Accra no se obi akasem twe na on fancy he was roaming about and okachre amanfo. Obi na kachre me straight. Say Akete chama say Akete okwan for so school. I say now don't try comedy say my mother said that I won't act comedy again. Me mama say of ayima enye. He say Akete Mpeninsem humi a on hwe manim kura say me nam ne ye adwuma. Akra no manya tan. Because you say much Accra no. Any pursue. But all the same no. We still moving on. Keep on supporting BEYOU comedy. Please. Keep on supporting the brand. The creativity is still there. And we are still alive. And we are willing to prove doubters wrong. Watch out for Akete Mpeninsem and Kwaku Frimpong. Same as Kwame Eugene. I'm never giving up. Namisha Munyina. Thank you for watching this live. Pachomba Namashe. So Akete Mpeninsem is not part of BEYOU comedy anymore. Because Akete Mpeninsem is not part of us anymore. Let's support Akete Mpeninsem. Onoso nya obi ba, onoso nya me offer say obi ba. But my fan and then the juma. Me training no. Ti mo mo me, I'm on support no. Na me sha munyina. But people are ungrateful. Obo ni paji receipt. But all I can say is we mu mabemuda. Meko so emajuma pa me ye. Meko so emajuma pa me ye. I'll be training new artists. Ti mo hu new artists bia o me page a. Me hwe mo support the brand. Because nipa amene sha ase na mama ne drew samre no Akete Mpeninsem. Thank you very much. Let's support BEYOU comedy. I love you. Na me sha munyina. BEYOU comedy to the world. Pacha mo say video be. Thank you very much. Oh God help me. Namishamu. Support me. Support me and I'm bringing up new talent. Obi am baby am support me. Let's go back to our YouTube channel. Things let things change for us. Support. Let's go back to YouTube and start watching our videos. Let's start watching the new artists. The person I started with is no more with me. Namishamu ina.